12번. 종이 신문을 읽는 가구가 계속 감소하고 있는 것으로 나타났다. 자, 가구. It can be furniture or it can be household. 자, in this case, it's not a furniture, it's a household. So the household is the subject that 읽는, 자, 는 is the relative pronoun in present tense. So that read what? 종이 신문, the paper, newspaper. 계속 continuously 감소하고 있다. 고 있다. present continuous. It's reducing. 자, 감소하다. to reduce. 감소하고 있는 것으로 as it is being 있는 것으로 네. being decrease. As it is being decreasing, 나타났다. It appeared. 자, double S under is past tense, so it's ed, 나타났다. 종이 신문을 읽는 집은 the house that read newspaper. 지난해보다 rather than last year, 5% 정도 감소해서 around 5% it decreases. And then 5집 중 1집. One house out of 자, 중 out of 5집 5 houses 만 just or only just an E subject marker. So just one house out of 5 houses they deliver the newspaper and then they were reading. 고 있었다. This is past continuous. So they were reading the newspaper. 1 out of 5 household delivered the newspaper and then they were reading. 인터넷으로 through internet 언제든지 자, 든지 ever, so 언제든지 whenever 뉴스를 볼 수 있게 되면서 simultaneous event while 계되다 get to it ends up. So while people end up be able to watch news whenever through internet, 종이 신문을 보는 사람이 people who are reading, looking at the newspaper, 감소하고 있는 것이다. It's the thing that being decreasing. 한편, in the meantime, 이번 조사는 this survey 지난해 조사에 참여한 집으로 is the houses that participated to the survey last year. 전화를 거는 방식으로 진행되었다. It was proceeded as the 방식, style, or the way to make a phone call. 으로, as. So 이번 조사는 for this survey, 집으로 is for the houses that participated. Single name under is past tense, so participated to the survey last year, and it was proceeded as the way that we make a phone call. 같은 것을 고르십시오. 1번. 이번 조사는 this survey 직접 방문해서 조사하는 방식을 사용했다. 방문하다 visit in person and then We investigated. 자, 방식 way죠. So, 사용했다. We used the way 는 that we 방문하다 visit in person and then investigate. 자, 직접 방문이에요? 아니요. 집으로 전화를 거는 방식이에요. 직접 방문이 아니에요. 전화를 거는 방식입니다. 전화를 걸다 to make a phone call. 2번 종이 신문을 읽는 사람이 줄면서 while people who read newspaper decrease 인터넷의 사용도 줄었다. The internet usage also decreased. 아니죠. They did not mention this part. So 이것도 틀렸습니다. Wrong. By the way, 줄다, 감소하다 are the synonyms to decrease. 조사된 가구 중에서 among the household that was investigated. 조사하다. To investigate. 조사되다. To be investigated. So among the household that was single union under its past tense죠. So was 조사되다. Investigated. Past voice. 절반은 half. Half of them, half of the surveyed household, 집으로 배달되는 신문을 읽는다. They read the newspaper that is delivered. So this one is the same as 조사되다, 배달하다, to deliver, 배달되다, to be delivered. So, they have among the households that were investigated, they read the newspaper that is delivered. Because 는, this is in present tense. 집으로 to the house. 맞아요. 자, 5집 중 한 집만이 only just one house among or out of 5 house. So it's not a half. So 이것도 틀렸습니다. 4번, 이번 조사와 지난해 조사는 서로 같은 가구를 대상으로 했다. This time survey and last year survey 서로 each other 같은 가구를 the same household 대상으로 했다. They surveyed the same household as a target. As a target. 맞죠? Where is it? 이번 조사는 지난해에 조사에 참여한 집으로 This survey is for the house that participated last year. So 4번이 맞습니다. They are the same household. So this survey and last year's survey, they survey the same household as a target one another. 그렇죠. 그래서 4번이 정답이 되겠습니다. 자, 13번부터 15번까지 다음을 순서대로 맞게 배열한 것을 고르십시오. Please choose the one that displayed in order. 아, 그 때문에 because of that 어머니는 my mother 지금도 even now or still now 미역국을 seaweed soup 별로 좋아하지 않으신다. 지 않아요 is negation not. 자, she, this is a honorific marker. It doesn't mean anything, but it shows respect to my mom since my mom is the subject. So she doesn't like it. 좋아하다, like it, 별로, that much. 자, this 별로 is always in a negative statement, meaning that much. And here, 니은 under 다. 자, this pattern is used to make a narrative tone or declarative tone. So she doesn't like that much the seaweed soup even now. Because of that. 생일날 미역국을 먹을 때면 어머니 생각이 난다. 면, if, 먹을 때면 을 때. When, if when I 먹다, eat what? 미역국. The seaweed soup 언제? 생일날, birthday. 네, this 날 with the event. So for example, 어린이날, Children's Day, 어버이날, Parents' Day. With the number, we use 일. So 1일, first day, 4일, fourth day. Okay, so 생일날, on birthday, 미역국을 먹을 때면, if when I eat seaweed soup, 어머니 생각이 난다. 생각이 난다. Think of. It reminds me of. So it reminds me of my mom if when I eat 미역국. 한국에서는 in Korea, 자, 에서 is location marker in. 한국, Korea는 is subject marker. Why subject marker is here even though in Korea is not a subject? 자, 먹는다. This is the verb eat. So the subject should be we. We eat it. So we is the subject. That's why in Korea is not a subject. Yeah, we add the subject marker in order to emphasize that phrase. So in Korea 생일날뿐 아니라 not only though. This is also another expression, 표현. Not only A, but also B. 자, not only 생일날, birthday, but also 아이를 낳은 후에도 after giving a birth to a child. 은 후에 after so after 낳다 give a birth to whom? 아이, kid. 미역국을 먹는다. People eat 미역국. 그래서 so 어머니는 my mother 야했다. 야해요. have to, need to. 더블 S under is for the past tense. So she had to. 드셔야 했다. 드시다. eat. 자, 드시다. 먹다. Same meaning. But 드시다 is more respectful than 먹다. 드시. If the infinitive stem ends with the vowel E, it changes to 여. If the infinitive stem is a consonant, vowel consonant, or CVCC form, you have two options by adding 아요 or 어요 depending on the vowel. If the vowels are strong vowels, 아 or 오, then you should add 아요. The rest, we consider them as weak. So you have to add 어요. So 드시다, 먹다, this is the infinitive to eat. 드셔요, 먹어요, conjugative form, eat. If you want to learn more about conjugation rules, then I recommend you to have I Can Speak Korean book for beginners. in chapter 3. In chapter 3, there are 17 conjugation rules. I'm gonna add book information in the description below, so please have a look. 드셔야 했다. 자, had to, yeah, this syllable, yeah, always combined with the conjugated stem of the word. That's why conjugated stem is 드셔. 드셔야 했다. She had to eat what? 미역국, seaweed soup, 마다. Every, when. So together, 을 때마다, whenever. 네, 을 때마다. Whenever 낳다, give a birth. 자, this is the verb meaning give a birth. Give a birth to whom? 자, whom information or what information is 을을. Give a birth to 우리 형제 다섯. My 형제 brothers. How many brothers? 다섯, 5. So my 5 brothers. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's find out the order. Writer is talking about his mom. So that will be introductory statement. 생일날 미역국을 먹을 때면 if when I eat 미역국 on my birthday 어머니 생각이 난다. It reminds me of my mom. He doesn't think about his mom all the time, only if. That's this conditional if. That's why we use conditional if, because he doesn't think about his mom all the time. Why he think about his mom? 한국에서는 in Korea 생일날뿐 아니라 not only on birthday, 아이를 낳은 후에도 but also after giving a birth to a child, 미역국을 먹는다. People eat the seaweed soup. 그래서 so 어머니는 my mother 우리 형제 다섯을 낳을 때마다 every time whenever she gave a birth to my 5 brothers 미역국을 드셔야 했다. She had to eat seaweed soup. 그 때문에 because of that 어머니는 지금도 my mom still now 미역국을 별로 좋아하지 않으신다. She doesn't like that much. 미역국. So the right answer will be 나, 다, 라, 가. 1번이 되겠습니다. 정부는 이러한 규칙 위반을 줄이기 위해 착한 운전 마일리지 제도를 실시할 예정이다. 자, 정부는 the government. 자, in topic 2, 정부, this word appears a lot. 네, government. 이러한 규칙 위반을 줄이기 위해 이러한 규칙 위반을 줄이기 위해 기 위해 in order to 줄이다 to decrease to reduce in order to reduce what? 위반 violation such regulation violation. Okay, so violation is 위반, 규칙, rules. So such rules violation. 자, in order to decrease such rules violation, 착한 운전 마일리지 제도를 실시할 예정이다. real under 예정이다. will plan to. 자, real under constant real is for future tense, so real 예정이다. will plan to or will schedule to. So the government will schedule to 실시하다. enforce what? 착한 운전 마일리지 제도, nice driving mileage policy. 자, 정부는 the government 이러한 규칙 위반을 줄이기 위해 in order to decrease such violation of the rules 착한 운전 마일리지 제도를 실시할 예정이다. It will plan to or it will schedule to enforce the nice driving mileage policy. 이러한 규칙 위반 because of this 가 cannot be the first one. 이는 교통규칙을 잘 지키는 운전자에게 벌점이 아니라 상점을 주는 방식이다. 이는 because of this conjunction, cannot comes first either. 교통규칙을 잘 지키는 운전자에게 to the drivers. 자, 운전 driving 자 is a person. It's also noun. person that is 자. So driver 어떤 드라이버예요? 교통규칙을 잘 지키는 운전자. 자, 규칙을 잘 지키다. This is expression to follow the rules well. 자, here 교통규칙 traffic rules가 되겠습니다. 교통 traffic. So 교통규칙을 잘 지키는 운전자 drivers who 자, this는 who relative pronoun in present tense. So who follow 지키는 who follow well what 교통규칙 traffic rules 벌점이 아니라 it's not the penalty 상점 상 rewards 점 score so it's rewards 상점을 주는 방식이다. It is 방식 the way that gives 자 same here 는 here that is who this 는 is that because 방식 is not a person so it's that and since 는 indicates present tense so that gives 상점, rewards, not 벌점, penalty. 하지만 벌점 제도가 있어도 규칙 위반은 크게 줄어들지 않고 있다. 하지만, but, 자, because of 하지만, this conjunction, 다 cannot comes first. But 벌점 제도가 있어도, although, 벌점 제도가 있어도 although there is penalty policy 규칙 위반은 크게 줄어들지 않고 있다. 고 있다 present continuous 고 있다 present continuous and 지 않다 it's negation 줄어들다, diminish. 자, 규칙 위반은 the violation of the rule. It's not being diminishing 크게 in great deal. 보통 운전자들이 교통 규칙을 위반하면 벌점을 받게 된다. 자, 보통 normally this is the introductory statement. Usually 운전자들이 subject drivers 교통 규칙을 위반하면 if they 위반하다 violate 위반 is a noun. If you add 하다 after the noun it becomes a verb. So if drivers 들 is a plural marker so it's a drivers. If drivers they violate what? That's what indicator 교통규칙 traffic rules 개된다. 자, this is another expression and 개된다. They they end up receive what? 벌점, penalty. Okay, so let's find out the 순서. 자, first. 자, 첫 번째 순서는 라. because of 보통. Usually or normally, if drivers violate the traffic rules, they end up getting penalty. 하지만, however, 벌점 제도가 있어도 although there is a penalty policy, 규칙 위반은 크게 줄어들지 않고 있다. The rule violation is not being diminishing in a great deal. 자, that's why 정부는 the government 이러한 규칙 위반을 줄이기 위해 in order to reduce such violation of the rules is related to this one, 규칙 위반 in the second sentence. In order to reduce such rule violation, the government will plan to enforce the 착한 운전 마일리지 policy. 이는 this is 방식이다. is the way that give reward, not the penalty to the drivers who follow well the traffic rules. 자, 그래서 정답은 라, 다, 가, 나. 라, 다, 가, 나. 4번이 되겠습니다.